Military helicopter. Been threatened by this insane government of fucking idiots for almost 2 years. And then when they can't do illegal shit, I guess you're supposed to like feel bad for them or something. Like they're fucking like, it just doesn't make sense. So you either take their shit or they fucking land military helicopters on your head because they're gonna kill you. Those are the fucking options. Illegal horse shit or fucking killed by a fucking military helicopter. There goes one military helicopter right there. Here comes the fucking another one right now. What the fuck is this shit? All this traffic on my fucking roof for fucking 2 years, and then I have a month of fucking videos. It doesn't look too fucking good, does it? Fucking idiots. I hope you fucking hit that crow and have an accident. There's one. You can still see the other one over that roof. Now let's get a couple planes in the same video because I hear them. There's a plane right there. Right there. So all three of these people, including the military helicopter, are required for surveillance here in fucking America. 2 years of fucking illegal bullshit. Fucking covering it up. I want to say that I'm paranoid, that they were advertising that there was an air parade for kids in Santa Ana, and that there's a missing dementia patient. Fucking Amber Alerts, high-speed chases, all kinds of horse shit. 2 fucking years.